I'm sitting here with Rabia Yusufbes, who came to Hill a year ago. Rabia, how did you come in here?
I came here for a year ago and I once killed an aunt with purpose, and I stole money from my parents, like $1, maybe $2. And once I peed in my friend's bed, and I acted like it was herself who did it. And yeah. And once I ate chicken and I puked and I got sick. And after that I puked in my little sister's face and she got mad, so yeah. And I got 7 points for that, and therefore I can now get Taco Tuesdays for free.
That sounds really good, Rabia.
Yeah.
Do you feel comfortable in Hill?
Oh yes, I do. I have a lot of friends here, and it's really nice because you can talk with everyone and you're allowed to do whatever you want, and you can get free stuff like free unicorn.
That's some good things you can get then. What are you doing in your spare time?
I just hang out with my friends and chilling by the fire while we eat fondue, and I ride a little more awesome unicorn named the Beeps. So it's fun, and by the way, you will never get bored down here.
And that's all.